My friends and I didn't want to wait until our junior year to start working in our chosen fields. And we didn't have to. I'm an actor, and I immediately got involved as an understudy my freshman year. My sister is an Elon student, and she began working for our on-campus PR agency, where she served as creative director and worked with real clients across North Carolina. I have friends majoring in education who began teaching during their first year, and pre-health majors who were allowed to participate in our on-campus human anatomy lab. At Elon, that's what it means when they say experiential learning. From your very first semester, you can get hands-on, real-world experience instead of simply going to class. Elon's dedication to this engaged learning experience has gotten our university national recognition, which makes me and our entire Phoenix community proud. Elon provides students with what they call the 5 Elon experiences: study abroad, internships, undergraduate research, service, and leadership. All Elon students are required to participate in 2, but most of us take on more. I was able to study abroad twice, in India and in London, and both changed my life. When I was abroad, it was a time to learn about myself. Exploring London, I gained a new level of confidence and a broader worldview. Everything I learned also connected back to what I was studying at Elon. In fact, all of the Elon experiences are designed to be interconnected, so there's a cumulative effect that makes everything more impactful, both inside the classroom and out. Another transformative experience was becoming an orientation leader, because I became a mentor to other students. I realized how much I had learned and was given an opportunity to make a positive impact on someone else, helping them to feel seen. Getting to pay forward everything I've been given from my professors and this community was truly meaningful. Elon's holistic education has fulfilled me intellectually and culturally. And what's more, our professors promote real-world learning and hands-on experiences that have prepared me and my friends to move forward in life with purpose.